guys, welcome back to another video. Hope everybody is blessed and keeping safe out there. Guys, today is Sunday and I'm home. I got up this morning, guys, and I wasn't the best. I had this headache, guys, but now I am feeling a lot better. No, I got up this morning, guys. The weather wasn't the best. It's still ain't the best, but it's much better than it was. This morning also it was real black, guys, and the rain was coming off and on. But now we get a little sun, but the clouds still, you know, it cloudy still, guys, but not as bad. So I managed to wash, guys, and I still have some stuff in the machine right now, and I have some on the line. The ones on the line soon to pick up, guys, but I keep monitoring the clouds that keep circling back around. So that is that. Because of how I'm feeling, guys, the headache has subsided, but my body wise, guys, I'm still feeling a bit weakish and so I don't want that. And another thing I feel this is contributing to as well is because of how I'm working, and I wasn't really taking stock of how I was eating. So I feel all that is coming into play, guys, and I stray away a lot from my eating habits, guys. So I want to get back into it strongly. So I am here in the kitchen because I must meal prep, guys, because when I don't meal prep I end up spending money on stuff that junk. That is the word to say. Spending money on junk, that is wasting money, number one. And then because you're eating not healthy, it's taking a toll on me, guys. My body need to get back how it used to be. So what I'm going to do, guys, I am meal prepping. So what I decided to do, I want to follow I think she named Susie Homestead on here, guys. I like how she's meal prep. She's meal prep all her protein, guys, all her sauces, and so she's meal prep that. And during the week, all she have to do when she get home to prep for her family is the starches and the vegetables. So that is what I am going to do, guys. So right now I'm going to do 3 protein, guys, and I'm going to do some chana, guys. I need to get back in my beans in my diet. Guys, you need protein every single day, yes, but sometimes it's good to give a break from the meat part of the protein. So I like my chana, guys, so I'm going to do some curry chana, guys, in coconut milk. I only have one thing coconut milk left, guys, 1 pack, so I'm going to do that. You guys know from if you had watched my video, I had meal prep some chana and I had bagged them out in trees, so I had 2 bags remaining. So what I did, I just took out. Honestly, guys, I just decided to take it out. I was like, you girl, why you didn't take it like ever since? But never mind, guys. Once I go in the pot, I can cook on the same way. So I'm gonna do this. And then here, guys, I have, you guys know from following me, if you're new here, guys, I buy my chicken, my meat, and when I buy those stuff in the bulk for the month, I come home, I lime and salt, I clean it up, and then I season it and portion size bag it, guys, already seasoned in the fridge. So when I'm ready to cook, all I gotta do is take it down, tar it down, and start cooking. Guys, it's easier that way, guys, and also the chicken take on the flavor better because it's marinating all the time in the freezer. So I got 2 bags of it here, guys. So one of the bag, guys, is with mostly Thai in the bag. I buy chop mix, guys, so chop mixes come in different parts. So when sometimes you get a nice bag and sometimes you don't. This last time I buy chicken, guys, I end up and get some drumsticks, some wings, and I end up and get some thigh and some breast, guys. So I have a bag of the breast still left back in the fridge there. The other bag I have, guys, you see outside now? Yes, it's dark. Let me go pick up them clothes off the line because that really look like it can break. And then I will come back and actually Alright guys, so here the stew is finished. I'm gonna take off the stove under that. Here now I'm checking on the curry chicken. Everything is flavored well, guys. I don't have to add any more flavor to it, but right now guys, I need this the sauce to come in a little bit thick. I like my gravy not to be too thick but not to be too watery. Okay, so that will take a little bit more. Just load on the stove because it was sticking to the bottom. Here now the chana is finished and I will take off the stove, guys. These meals was so delicious. I have finished the stew chicken and the curry chana, guys, as of editing this video. Alright guys, so it's now 1:05. Managed to get the laundry done outside. The weather is starting back to look real terrible, but so far the Lord blessed me that I could manage to get the clothes dry. So I already take off the first load. You guys don't see me run outside and do that. Well, you ain't see me literally run, but I went outside and did that before I start cooking. I have some sheets on the line. Well, it's not my sheets, it's my partner sheet. My bed sheet will be changed on Thursday. I'm supposed to be home on Thursday, so I will do that. And also this house need cleaning, so all of that will be done on Thursday, God spare life. So I have his bed sheet on the line, and I have some new towels I bought for the salon. I have those on the line right now. Yeah, and the old curtains that the salon had up, I had the salon is finished, guys. It is finished painting and all that good stuff. When I go tomorrow, guys, I will take a quick video and so that you could see how it's looking right now. We did not do much, we just painted, guys, and and we did the separation instead of the brown separator. We just did a plywood and the fella painted it for us. And yeah, and we just changed the curtain, changed the color paint, and that's basically all we did in there, guys. Now we separated it, guys, because we wanted to have feel like we have our individual space, that kind of way, especially my daughter. So over time, guys, we will just nice up our side to accommodate the color and the theme and the salon, although we will be in our individual spaces differently. Well, it's the same space, but you know what I mean. But for now it's just simple, clean and neat. I just love the pink, how it you know come together, how it bring out down in there, guys. It just have in there looking a little more bright. I have the hash brown from my grocery haul, guys, is what I will be using. Honestly, guys, I am not a fan of these. I really isn't. So instead of actually just having them there, and you know, I'm gonna do this dish, and hopefully I really enjoy this dish, guys. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is just take them and put them in the bottom of the dish like so. Now guys, I do have some fresh herbs here that from the last time. I actually thought they went bad, but they went bad because I had them wrapping tissue, so yay for me. So what I'm gonna do, normally I see people just left them whole, so guys, but I am not. I am going to just, it's still a bit icy guys, so I'm gonna do that off camera guys because I don't want this to be too long. Okay, some of them defrost and some ain't defrost, so I'm just gonna mash them up, roughly mash them up guys, and then lay them out in the bottom, and then mix up my egg mixture, and then think also I'm gonna put some I do have ground beef guys, but I'm not gonna be, I do have minced meat, but I ain't going bother thing the minced meat guys. So I do still have these in the freezer. These was what we did buy when we went to the Price Mart. This is about 2 months ago, grocery haul. So I'm gonna take 2 of these. As you can see, they're still a bit icy too guys, because I take them out late. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna break up a few of these and actually add them to this. But before I do that guys, I'm actually gonna cook them a bit first. I want to cook these first, then add them to this. Yeah.